Welcome to ClickMyProject. Collective travel planning in spatial networks. Abstract travel planning and recommendation are important aspects of the transportation. We propose and investigate a novel collective travel planning query, that means CTP query, that finds the lowest cost route connecting multiple resources and a destination via at most k meeting points. When multiple travelers target the same destination, for example a stadium or a theatre, they may want to assemble at k meeting points, and then go together to the destination by public transport to reduce their global travel cost, for example energy, money, or greenhouse gas emissions. This type of functionality holds the potential to bring significant benefits to society and the environment, such as reducing energy consumptions and greenhouse emissions, enabling smarter and greener transportation, and reducing traffic congestions. The CTP query is max SNF hard to compute the query efficiently. We developed two algorithms, including an exact algorithm and an approximation algorithm. This exact algorithm is capable of finding the optimal result for small values of k. For example, k equal to 2 in iterative time. The approximation algorithm, which has an 5 approximation ratios, is suitable for the other situations. Then we explain the flowcharts. The flowchart, first we start the problem and then give the input for the problem. The input is the source, destination, and the distance of the problem, and then travel cost. The travel cost will be divided into two types. One is the local travel cost and the connection travel cost. This travel cost are pointed by the k meeting points. Then we use the approximation algorithm to find out the initial output and other outputs for the problem, and then exact algorithm is used to find the optimal solution. Then finally, to reach the destination at minimum cost using the above mentioned two algorithms. We run the program. We will start right click the project, or otherwise we use the button. The project will be run. First we the two buttons are used. One is one type is data set, and another one type is real time. First I deploy the data set button and display the data sets. These data sets are stored in a database, a MySQL database that is used for WAM server, and the MySQL database stores the data sets. And then next, the pre-processing the data. First we pre-processing is successfully completed. Then we display the pre-processed data. Then go to next. First source node will be displayed, and then destination node, and display the distance is displayed, and then next source will be 3, and then destination and the distance and the path will be displayed. The distance is 6 and the path is then the data source to over. Then we start the real time, and the real time the collective travel planning is spatial network. The real time data enter. We draw the nodes, then node isolate, then deploy the nodes, and then source will be selected, and then destination will be selected, and then go to next. The possible paths are the available path prediction 1, the source and 1, and then the destination will be 4. The available paths are displayed, and then go to next. And source node select a source node equal to 1, and then the file will be chosen by the source node. Then choose a file, choose a text file from desktop, then choose a file database.txt, then view the contents of the file, clear the contents, then view the contents, then go to next. And the packet splitting process, the splitting process will be useful for source to destination. The one file is sending to source to destination, the whole file will be sending timing is more, so the file will be splitted. It minimizes the time. The file name is sample. Then split the file. I will split the file into two. Then file can be splitted. These are the sample file 1.txt and then sample file 2.txt. Then go to next. The node information. The total number of nodes are deployed by 5, and the selected source node will be 1 and selected destination node is 4. And then file information. The name of the file chosen for a splitting process is a sample, and number of splitting files equal to 2, and display and source file path is, and splitted file path, and then file name, and then next. Distance estimation. Source to source node and the destination node, the distance will be estimated, and the forwarding nodes, the source and destination, and the source will be source reach the destination via these forwarding nodes, and then optimal path. The optimal path or source will be 1, and so destination will be 4. The optimal path is 1 to 4, and another path is 1 to 4. And then next, display the source and the destination, and path distance is 160.64. This will be also. These are the running process of the server, and we use the WAM server. WAM server MySQL documents the file for source and destination and distance and bandwidth. These are stored in the MySQL path.